Good morning and happy Friday and welcome to my second vlog. Thank you so much for everyone that subscribed after the first one I posted and watched it. It really means a lot to me. So right now I'm enjoying my at-home latte that you just saw me make. And this weekend is really special because my family is coming. My mom, my mom's boyfriend, my sister, and then how do I say this? The star of the show, the love of my life, the light of my world, my dog Savannah. I'm so excited. My dog and my sister are staying at my house, and my mom and her boyfriend are staying somewhere else at his brother's house. So I'm so excited to take you along this weekend for a little fun family things. I have some fun things planned. I'm excited just to chill with my sister. I'm excited to snuggle my dog. I bought her some really cute outfits. I'm so excited. Okay, so yeah, they just landed. I just got a text, so I'm gonna tidy up and I'll see you when I see them. Okay, today's been a pretty chill day. Savannah and Alexis have been sleeping all day, so we're just gonna stay in, but hopefully tomorrow is a more eventful day. Okay, it's the next day, and there's my sister! We're on our way downtown. She hasn't seen the Bean or gone to Grand Park or Millennium Park, so we're gonna go do that. So we're gonna bring you along on that journey, so here we go.
Doors closing.
Showed my sister around the Loop, the Bean, Millennium Park. Now we're gonna go home and have lunch because we are financially responsible, and then we're gonna go and see Wrigley Field, and I'm gonna show her that. Are you excited? Woo! Okay, bye. What do you have to say, Savannah? I want to get vlog footage of your hair.
No! Stop!
Yes. My sister thought it'd be fun to cut her hair in quarantine.
She's vlogging this.
And she has a chunk of hair missing.
Oh my god.
So please, for every 1 subscriber I get for this video, I will donate $1 for her to get a haircut. Please help the youth.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're going to a pumpkin patch now with the
Ow!
Sorry. We're waiting for an Uber. I haven't really filmed much today, but I showed you a little bit of
My hair.
her hair and Savannah and things, so I think our Uber is here. But I'm gonna get a reel for Instagram at the pumpkin patch. Oh no, not an Uber. A reel for Instagram, and I'm gonna get some more vlog footage, and yeah. And then we're going to my favorite Italian restaurant. Right now, my sister and I are gonna we're in the process of making a cup of dirt. My dad used to take us to TGI Fridays all the time as kids, and we would eat this. And I got the inspiration from these Smart Sweets that just came out. They only have 4 grams of sugar. They're a healthy alternative to candy. And yeah, I really like them. So I got the idea to make these since my sister was here. So I'm gonna continue making them now. Now it's a montage. So the fam is gone. Savannah is gone. I'm really sad, but I'll see them in a few weeks. And that concludes this week's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment your favorite scene of Savannah. And I'll see you next week for next week's video. Bye.